When the lights are out, my heart is your home. When the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah. When the lights are out, my heart is...
The future is electrical broken bar, and it's right at your doorstep. This is the all-new 2026 Nissan Leaf, a smarter, sleeker, and more efficient than ever before. The Leaf keeps its familiar hatchback form but now comes with a more aerodynamic front end, sharper LED lighting, and futuristic wheel designs. It's compact, yet confident, ideal for both city cruising and open road efficiency. Underneath, the 2026 Leaf is powered by a refined 60 kWh battery pack, offering up to 226 miles of range. Smooth acceleration, instant torque, and whisper quiet operation, everything you'd expect from a modern EV. And with DC fast charging, you're back on the road in no time. Inside, you'll find a redesigned cabin with sustainable materials, a large 12-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Nissan's intelligent mobility features, including ProPILOT Assist for semi-autonomous driving. From e-pedal regenerative braking to intelligent emergency braking and blind spot warning, the Leaf helps protect your world while also helping the planet. The 2026 Nissan Leaf is more than just an electric hatchback. It's a smart, sustainable lifestyle choice that's ready for the future and perfect for today. Quiet, clean, confident. Drive electric. Drive the 2026 Leaf.